Welcome everyone, Rilus here. Today we're going to talk about banking. So specifically dealing with banking when you have a trust or an estate or a business entity. So we're getting calls all the time, people go into the bank and they're struggling to get their accounts open. And what's frustrating is they're actually doing everything right in a lot of the cases. So here's the steps to go through if you're dealing with the bank. I want to help you avoid hiring an attorney. I know a lot of times they want you to get a letter or something from an attorney, but you shouldn't have to incur more costs to deal with the bank. So the first step is just patience. Now, I serve as the trustee for some clients, so I have this experience firsthand of going to the bank and opening up bank accounts or switching over bank accounts from the name of the other person to my company as trustee. And although this seems like it should be a straightforward process, a lot of times the banks can make it very difficult. It's not uncommon to have several visits to the bank, unfortunately. I've had it where it's taken me 3 or 4 different times to go down to open up an account for a client. So just be patient, number one. Understand that even if you hire an attorney to do it, they're probably going to get the same backlash, same process. Second thing is to keep good records, keep detailed records. When you go there, who did you talk to? What's their first, last name, even employee ID number sometimes. You want to make sure you can identify them and what exactly did they tell you. So keep good records and request written instructions. So if they're not allowing you to open up the new bank account for your trust or LLC, why not? What do you need? So have them give it to you specifically in writing what you're missing, if possible. Now you want to come equipped with the right documents. That's going to be helpful. So with the trust, the best thing is the trust itself and the certificate of trust. Now, if you're the one that created the trust, if you created the trust for yourself, the trust does not have a tax ID number. It's going to use your social or your spouse's social. If you're dealing with your parents' trust, someone else created it that's passed away or is now disabled, so you're stepping in as the trustee, it will need a tax ID number at that time. So if that's the situation, it's important that you have the right tax ID number before you go to the bank. We have some tools on our website to help you out with that. If you need the tax ID number, you can go to our trustee toolkit. It helps you describes how to pull that tax ID number. So come equipped with the trust, the legal documents itself, and the tax ID number. And that's usually the best thing, the legal document itself. Now, what's frustrating to me is, I'm hearing reports, clients call me. A lot of times it's like Friday afternoon on a holiday weekend, and they're trying to close on a house or something. And then the bank is asking for some requirement. They say, just get your attorney to write this letter or get your attorney to do that. But for attorneys to write letters, you're asking for an opinion letter. So in order for us to give an opinion as an attorney, we need to be hired. So if a bank asks you to get an attorney opinion letter, I want you to clarify with them. Say, are you saying that I have to hire an attorney, that it's required to get a legal counsel just to do business with them? And see if they'll put that in writing for you. So stay patient. Hopefully banks get better. I remember back in the days, you'd go into a bank and there's actually a lot of people there and they pretended like they wanted your business and they were there to work for you. Nowadays, no people, and even when there are, they want you to set an appointment to do anything. So it's frustrating. Hang in there. If you're going through all those steps and you still need help at the bank, reach out to us. We can help you.